Welcoming in for sale at Lloyd Jaguar in Carlisle, this Jaguar F-Pace D200 R-Dynamic HSE with an eye-catching Santorini Black exterior complementing the black exterior pack. This Jaguar F-Pace also comes with LED headlights as well as gloss black 22-inch alloy wheels, also featuring keyless entry and privacy glass. Heading over to the back of the F-Pace now, we're just going to take a look at some more of that gloss black badging and then open up the power tailgate to show plenty of space for any luggage or shopping. This F-Pace also benefits from a full service history as well as boasting an impressive 201 brake horsepower while still achieving up to 42 miles per gallon. Stepping inside the F-Pace now, we're just going to take a look at the electric window controls as well as Meridian sound system, driver seat memory function and blind spot assist. Also coming fitted with electric front seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and a voice control. And then coming up to that digital driver's display. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift paddle as well as a 2-zone climate control and the extremely responsive 11.4-inch Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the F-Pace now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also featuring ISOFIX and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.